Okay, it says if f of x is a linear function such that f of 2 is less than or equal to f of 3, f of 4 is greater than or equal to f of 5, and f of 6 equal to 10, which of the following must be true? Right, now, I did see this on the internet. I'll go through it at the whiteboard, but again, you may want to watch that guy's video too. Whatever works for you, works for you. So let's take a look. All right, I'm certainly doing different than the other guy did. So I'll go to the whiteboard, and I'm going to write down what they said. All right, the first thing they said is f of x a linear function. That's a given, by the way. So if it's a linear function, f of x would equal m, that's some slope, by the way, x plus b. All right, now what did they say? They said f of 2 is less than or equal to f of 3. So let me write this down for you. It's going to be 2m plus b is less than 3m plus b. Now if I looked at this thing over here, I'd have 2m, subtract b from both sides, by the way, is less than or equal to 3m. All right? Let's write the next statement down. The next statement is f of 4 is greater than or equal to f of 5. Well, let me write that down for you. That's going to be, let's see, it's mx, right? So it's 4m plus b. Again, the x is equal to 4 there. And next one's going to be 5m plus b. Now, what do I have over here? I have, subtracting b from both sides, I have 4m greater than or equal to 5m. All right? Now, there's possibilities here. One of the possibilities is m is greater than 0. All right? And then you could divide both sides of the inequality and there'd be no effect on it. So this is certainly reasonable. But again, if m is greater than 0, and I do this over here, I'm going to say this is not reasonable, dividing both sides by m, by the way. Again, m is a positive number. All right? So I'm going to say, oh, m can't be a positive number. Let me cross this all out over here. Not happening. Let's do m as a negative number. Now, if m is a negative number, what do you get? And again, if I'm dividing by a negative number, I'm going to get, and again, m is a negative number, so I'll still get 2, but the direction of the inequality is going to change now. Now, this automatically makes no sense, because 2 is not greater than or equal to 3. There's only one other condition that can be met, and that is m equals 0. Does that make sense? It does, because if m equals 0, what am I getting for the first inequality? 0 is less than or equal to 0. And for the second inequality, I'm getting 0 is greater than or equal to 0. So now I know what the function is. The function is f of x equals 0x plus b. All right, let me write this down a little simpler. F of x is just equal to b. Now, looking at it, I want to go back to the question over here, and they give you a bunch of choices over here. But before I give you the choices, I want to point out they did say f of 6 is equal to 10. So what does that mean? F of x is equal to 10. What does that mean? I've got a horizontal line. Slope is 0. What does it look like this over here? And what's that going to be? Y equals 10. Now, if you look at the choices, A says f of 3 is less than f of 0 is less than f of 4. That's simply not true. F of 0 equals 0? Simply not true. F of 0 greater than 10? Well, that's not true either, because f of 0 is actually equal to 10. So the only answer there that fits the description is going to be D. And what does D say? F of 0 is equal to 10. So D is the correct answer. Thank you for paying attention.